What's up guys and girls, welcome back to another edition of The Cocktail Guy. And this week I've been playing around with variations of the classic espresso martini. So I thought I would share with you guys just one of my favourite riffs from this week. Now the cocktail that we know and love, famous all over the world as the espresso martini, started life quite simply being called the vodka espresso and was created right here in the UK at the Soho Brasserie in 1983. Now in terms of cocktail history, this drink is relatively new, coming from the mind of the late and great Dick Bradsell at the request of a guest who wanted a drink that would not only wake her up, but her up. Now with all of my cocktails guys, the recipes I will post below the video, but a few of the ingredients you're going to need for today's drink. I'm sticking with tradition and I'm going to be making my riff with some vodka. Today I'm going to be working with Reyka, but as always, you can use a substitution should you have one. I'm going to be using some Kahlua coffee liqueur. And I'm also going to be halving that with some dark chocolate liqueur and some addition of some chocolate bitters, which I've decanted into a bitters bottle because I've infused them with a tonka bean. Now in terms of additional sweetness, I've substituted the original sugar syrup for some dark chocolate sugar syrup and of course the obvious freshly brewed coffee. Now when it comes to the espresso martini, fresh is best with coffee, and we want coffee that's got that beautiful crema on top. I know it's going to sound perverse when we add this freshly hot and brewed coffee to ice before we shake it, but we want that crema because that's what gives it that beautiful creamy froth at the top of the drink. Now as always guys, if you have any questions, drop your comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit that bell or smash it if that's your style. And as always, I will pop any substitutions and the recipes below the video. Without further ado guys, let's get cracking. So the first ingredient we're going to be adding is our vodka, and we're going to be adding 35 ml, so just over 1 ounce. Half an ounce of our coffee liqueur, so 15 ml. And the same again of our chocolate liqueur, so 15 ml. $10 ml of our chocolate syrup. And then we've got our chocolate and tonka bean bitters. Now, if you're going to be decanting it directly from the bitters bottle, just 2 dashes, but we're using a bitters bottle, which is smaller dashes, so I've added 5 in there. And then, of course, the freshly brewed espresso, double shot. Oh my God, that smells good. Oh, I love coffee. Oh, there we go. I give it a bit of a mix. Woohoo! This is gonna be a goodie. Okay, ice, and then we're gonna give it a short, sharp shake just to dilute and chill. There we go. Okay, then we have our glass. And then all we're going to do is we're going to double strain this into our martini glass. So, 1. Look at that. It looks beautiful. I can hear the bubbles. Okay, and then the garnish, we're just going to garnish this instead of the traditional coffee beans. We are going to garnish this with some freshly grated tonka beans just for the aromatics. So I'm just going to give this a very small dusting on top. There we go. Beautiful. And there we have it, guys. My riff, or my favorite riff from this week's creations of the classic espresso martini. I guess it's kind of, I don't know, is it a Mochatini? I don't know. The name sounds a bit naff, but it's got coffee, it's got the chocolate. So hey, look, it could be a Mochatini, it could just be a chocolate espresso martini. It is super simple to make, guys. It is well worth the effort. And of course, obviously, all these ingredients you can use in additional drinks. But look at that. That is beautiful. Loving the head on that. Smells lovely. Let's give it a go. Yeah. Yeah, Mochatini. Name chosen, Mochatini. It's a Mochatini. Hey, look, I've made a Mochatini. Never thought I'd see the day where I'd make a Mochatini, but there we go. It's a guilty pleasure cocktail, what can I say? There we go, guys. I hope you enjoy making it. If you do, as ever, all the recipes and the links to all of the products that I've used in this video will be below the post. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content, guys. Drop any comments below the video should you have any questions. And if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, guys, I shall see you in the next video. And I hope you enjoy making what is now being called the Mochatini. Cheers, guys.